My relationship with Bentson Copple and Patterson really began probably, it goes so far back that Bentson wasn't Bentson yet. He was working in the computer business, all right? And so long-term relationship. So I've watched them grow. I watched the influence they've had over our profession by a profession that's undergoing a real metamorphosis right now, and a lot of kids getting out of school, trying to make business decisions that they've never had to make before. They guided me through a transition, which was not something I was succeeding at, so that I was well seasoned by the time I worked out a transition that was workable for me. And so then they integrated on numbers and things that I was frankly tired of. And so it's nice to have somebody you trust that you can just figure that out for me. It's a personal business and they're hands-on. That's a trust level that not everybody has.